Hello again, this is Crystal Williams. In this video, we will discuss the reasons to open a succession. So let's jump right in. Successions are often open to give reassurance to third parties that a person who claims to own a deceased person's property is truly the owner. We mentioned in an earlier video that in Louisiana, the court will issue a judgment of possession, and that transfers the title to the deceased property. This court involvement is normally what the third parties seek in clearing the title to either real estate or to grant access to the deceased bank accounts. So in the case of real estate, opening a succession is often necessary to clear title to real estate. The reason being is that without it, a potential buyer or a potential third party's lender will not really know who owns the property. So then in our other example, to obtain access to the deceased bank accounts, banks with very few exceptions will require a succession before it transfers the account of the deceased to anyone else. And to take a step further, because of strict privacy laws that banks must follow, banks will most likely even require court documents before discussing that deceased person's matters with the heirs. So access to bank accounts and the clearing of title to real estate are truly one of the most common reasons my clients come to me and ask me to open a succession for their deceased loved one. So if you're trying to gain access to your deceased relatives' assets, opening a succession may be necessary. So as always, that's it. I hope that was helpful. I hope that gave you some insight into what reasons a succession will be required to be open. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. And we create video content regularly. So if you would like to receive notification, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.